Fantastic, so thank you so much for joining us here today, Raj, at London Tech Week. Do you want to start off by introducing yourself, your role, and why you're here?
Absolutely, such a pleasure to be here, Maya. It's Rajkaran Singh, I work for Dassault Systèmes, one of the industry and business consulting directors looking after Euro North.
Fantastic, and why are we finding you here at London Tech Week?
Like everyone else, I'm trying to decode the favorite two-letter buzzword at the moment. Guess what? AI. And it's about going beyond the buzzwords and trying to understand what the industry leaders are doing. At Dassault Systèmes, we're leading digital transformations with our customers right across the sphere, from Formula One through to aerospace and defense, and almost every other industry that we know of. And what's really exciting about London Tech Week right now is it's a gathering of like-minded thought leaders.
Fantastic, and what have been your highlights across a couple of days so far?
To be honest with you, yesterday was a fantastic day. Sir Keir Starmer's announcement of additional $1 billion in funding, I think it's going to go a long way. But for me, the key point was in Jensen Huang's point from Nvidia, where he talked about lack of critical infrastructure, and I think that is such an important focus point. One of the things that I wanted to bring out from the F1 industry in my conversation with Christian Horner, he talked about 25 million simulations a minute and over 600 sensors on a Formula One car in Red Bull. And that's one of the industries that we work in. It's an area I'm currently working in myself. And I think AI can have a massive impact in all of those examples.
And the impact of AI has been an overwhelming theme here at London Tech Week. Yeah. What would you say are your sound bites? What are your highlights when it comes to the impact of AI specifically?
Absolutely. I think the main thing we need to remember is AI needs to be the nucleus of an enterprise's digital transformation. It can't just be the top layer, which is where we know we've started. People are using more and more AI tools, but it needs to be the center of the transformation, both bottom up and top down. And with AI, there's other technologies we need to think of in terms of the vertical layer and the tech stack and how it integrates the entire ecosystem. At Dassault, what we're doing is from engineering design, right up from the CAD model through to simulation, we've incorporated topology optimization, generative design. You look at what we're doing in manufacturing on the shop floor, massive impact there. And then right across through to the supply chain, including decommissioning and end of life of products. So it impacts every part of a customer's life cycle, and we're right in the middle of it, and I'm really excited to be here. I'm also an angel investor myself, so involved in the venture capital and tech space, so it's really exciting to be meeting fellow people from the industry and other exciting startups. Absolute pleasure to be here.
And before I let you go, is there anything else you'd like to add? I know we whipped through a lot of stuff just there, but is there anything else you'd like to add, especially as the excitement continues to build across London Tech Week?
Absolutely. I think we need to start in our organization, in our teams, and with the people around us. Education, activation, replication, and scaling. I think it needs to be done in that order. And for me, the way I see AI is it's got to be the foundation principle for absolutely everything that we do in our day-to-day work, right across from our customers to our partners to the supply chain, and internally within our function, including HR, including finance. I think it's got to be the core nucleus of transformation.
A lovely sentiment to end on. Thank you so much for your time.
Absolute pleasure, Maya. Thank you.